Hello kids, today we will learn about wild animals. Let's learn with sound. You want to know their sounds? Let's enjoy. Tiger. 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 Okay. Now next one is Cheetah. 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 Now hear the sound. Third one, Reindeer. 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 Okay. Next one is hyena. This is hyena. 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 Now, hippopotamus. 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 Okay. Now, next one. Oh, Wheezy. Can you guess? Yes, right. Chimpanzee. 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 Yes. Very good. Now, what next? Oh, who is coming up? White color. Can you guess it? See, it is polar bear. Polar. Polar bear. Okay. Now, what next? Oh, I know all of you know this. This is, yes, right, Panda. 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 Now hear the sound. Good. Now, who is coming next? Who is it? Rhinoceros. See, one horn is there. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Okay. Now, look here. Very good. Kangaroo. You know, they can jump very nicely. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Very nice. Good children. Now, zebra. You know zebra crossing like zebra? ZEBRA. Zebra. Now hear the sound. Good. Very good. What next? Yes. Can you guess it? Yes, you were right. It is wolf. 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 Now, hear the sound. Now next is very good tallest animal in the world. Giraffe. 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 Good. Now hear the sound of the giraffe. I hope you are enjoying the sound also. Good. Now one more is there. Yes. Have you seen the Mowgli movie? Yes, you are right. It's bear. BEAR, bear. And what is the name of the bear? think it. Now hear the sound. Good, very good. Now, what next? The king of the jungle. Oh wow, lion. 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 Good. Now hear the sound of the lion. Don't scare. Very good. Now what next? Yes, right. You can guess it now. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Very cunning animal, you know. Hear the sound of the fox.
Like, share, subscribe.